Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning System, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here we have a universal style header, all stainless header, all TIG welded. And this is currently on a 27 horse Kohler engine, but it's going to a customer that will be on a Vanguard. So what I did is I threaded this piece here so I can change the angle, because the relative angle of where the threaded shanks are different degree of angular positioning on the Briggs & Stratton, as well as any other type like the Honda. The Honda is actually up and down, like say for instance the Predator engine uses the same flange as well as the Briggs & Stratton. So what I did is I put a threaded piece here so that you can adjust it. You're not going to be at full rotation where you have to lose thread. You basically are going to just tighten it up as much as you can, and you can vary it, moving this back and forth to adjust to the angle. So with the Honda Predator engine, for example, that we have on our Aviator 36, it's up and down. So naturally you would turn this in accordance to the angle of what you have here. We have an intermediate coupler right here, which is our stainless steel 1 7/8 stainless flex hose. So that adjusts width-wise, okay, because every manufacturer builds it slightly differently. And the same on this side, you can vary it to the angle, and adjust this threaded area with the elbow in accordance to the degree of where that flange lies on the exhaust port. So we also make the coupler here at 1.5. Everything gets from 1 inch, as you can see here, machine pressed and tapered professionally. And then we have this where this can go downward. So if you have your exhaust heat exchanger downward, then you face it downward or sideways or whichever way you want it. So in this case, like if you have it up top, it's going to be faced upward like that. So we make this a threaded female. That gives you a better decision path in deciding where and which angle you're going to exit out from and where your heat exchanger is on the framework of your truck mount. So these headers work out great. Our standard procedure now is that on our Blue Barons we just build solid headers now. So we've developed a really good technique. There's no wandering when we go to TIG welded. We've developed a really good technique of doing it in such a way as that we've eliminated the middle pipe flange now. But this works great. I mean, you put a 2-inch clamp here and a 2-inch clamp there, and it's tight, sturdy. This is a real sturdy stainless unit, and usually when you order the header, you can add it. It stops about here, and then of course if you need additional pipe, we charge accordingly. So this will really work out for whoever wants to put it on a Vanguard or a Honda or a Kohler engine. There's a lot of variables here to adjust to that, tailored for that particular engine. Call us today at 727-505-2989, and we'll get you set up with a beautiful header, all stainless, polished, TIG welded. You can also visit us on our store at truckmountstore.com, where we have a selection of accessories that we build, including the Blue Baron 7 models of the Blue Baron truck mounts, as well as the inline filter box and many other accessories. Thank you.